Is your T-Mobile home internet modem constantly shutting down? It's a common issue, often stemming from three key problems: faulty power bricks, sleep mode misconfigurations, and overheating. First, check your power brick. Failures, especially in units made before Q2 2025, can cause sudden shutdowns. T-Mobile has a recall program for these. Check their website for a free replacement. Next, disable sleep mode via the T-Mobile app or Gateway Web Interface 192.168.12.1. This prevents unintended reboots. Finally, ensure your modem has proper ventilation. Overheating can trigger shutdowns. Keep at least 6 inches of clearance around the vents. These quick fixes can significantly improve your modem's reliability. If the quick fixes don't solve the problem, delve deeper. Update your modem's firmware to the latest version. Mid-2025 versions like 1.21301.0104 address overheating issues. Inspect the power brick for physical damage or loose connections. Consider using a surge protector for stable power delivery. Keep in mind future solutions. AI-driven diagnostics are being integrated to predict and prevent outages. T-Mobile's mesh network expansions aim to distribute heat load, reducing turnoffs. By 2027, universal USB-C power standards should enhance modem power reliability. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for assistance. Proactive maintenance is key for preventing future issues.